This is the adhesive doorbell mount for the Blink doorbell, the second generation here, and I am quite impressed with this mount. First thing, it has a cutout hole for the cables that connect to your doorbell, and then it has holes if you do decide to screw it into the side of your house, so you can actually screw through the back plate, and the doorbell does have line up with these holes here too. So you can put screws straight through the doorbell here in the back, all the way into the house through this mount here, or use the adhesive. And then it also has a screw at the bottom, and it's an anti-theft screw. So if you see that little dot in the middle there, that's actually an indent in this screw. Don't know if you can see that. There's a little dot there. So it's an anti-theft screw. Now, let me go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to show you the back of the doorbell itself with this guy. So give me a sec. All right, so this is the back of the doorbell, and as you can see here, you can see kind of, oh, I don't have it lined up perfectly right now, but you can see through right there. There are holes for screwing this guy into the wall, and it lines up perfectly with that. And then, yep, the cables go through there. This is the opening right here, and it fits this guy, the doorbell, no problem. Sits in there, button presses. The actual doorbell kind of sensor is way forward, so this isn't going to block it at all, but it's going to keep kind of like water and stuff from getting on it too much, but it should be fine. Either way, I think this thing is fantastic. This is going to work really well for me. I'm going to go install this, and I'm not going to have any issues, I can tell you that. One cool thing, it comes with the screwdriver for this screw, and it also comes with a booklet on how to install stuff and also some extra goodies here. So if you're in the market for one of these, I highly recommend it.